Hello.
I'm shouting. I'm shouting.
Why are we yelling? What are we yelling about?
Marketing.
Marketing.
Hi.
Hi. Absolute marketing.
Absolutely market.
Yeah.
Run? What do you mean run?
That's probably a good idea. Honestly, not gonna lie, probably a better idea is to run away.
Run. Leave.
Run. I'll get the swarm out later, and then we can shoot the people. Don't worry. Don't you guys worry.
Oh, perfect. All right. Excellent.
I did upgrades. How's it going? What's up? Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Happy marketing.
We're a marketing team. We do marketing for Resonite. I'm marketing to you right now. Once again, all opinions stated are yours and yours only.
You are legally responsible for anything we say.
Yes. I am Decoy. I'm a bird on the internet.
That's it. That's the only intro.
Come on, you gotta pass it. You gotta like, I'll take it at least, but you gotta pass it.
No, nope. Hi, I'm Croa. Blue. Orange.
Okay. Yeah. Hi, I'm Orange. Rusty Bot.
Aw, I was hoping for the hi there.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I know I'm disappointing all my fans. That's my mistake. Hi there. My name is Rusty Bot. There.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
Resonite. Rusty here. How much are your fingers?
How many are your fingers?
Yeah.
How much?
How much are your fingers?
250.
Okay. Well, I'll save up.
Oh, that's kind of cheap. Anyways, yes. Put question mark in your thing, and we will answer your question. We will be able to see it if you put a question mark in it, and you can ask us whatever you'd like. Of course, marketing questions comes first, and if we have time, we can do silly questions.
And if we want to do stupid questions, something has gone wrong. But we'll probably do them anyway. It's just a matter of whether or not we want to. We'll start with the Discord question, which is actually 2 Discord questions. Do we plan on making a tutorial on how to use all the... Actually, here, let me put... Oh, no, this is perfect. There we go. Do we plan on making a tutorial on how to use the various features on the streaming camera and the optimal setting for streaming and recording? You've been wanting to stream for a while, but trying to figure out how best to set it up has been a bit of a barrier to entry, especially after the splitting caused strange behaviors with audio capture. I feel that a little bit. OBS has a capture directly from source separate audio output thing. That's what I use. The streaming camera in here has a separate audio output if you enable the setting, which is pretty great. It's actually awesome because then I still hear what I'm hearing, but the camera hears from the camera point and sends that to OBS. It's great. I love it. This is something I want to touch on. It's something I've been thinking about, especially because we're kind of making a push to try and get more streaming happening, get more content made, get more, outsource our jobs a bit, because a platform can't grow on just 3 people making stuff. And then that feeds into the second bit, which is, do we have plans to promote community-made tutorials and guides? Yeah, absolutely, 100%. For sure, for one, there's the wiki. For 2, there's a playlist that I think Miss Molly runs, or the Metaverse Academia runs, or whatever, that is just every tutorial all in one place. That's awesome. I probably can't get the link for that right now, but if anybody has it on hand, throw that in. That is a super good playlist. And we will try and repost stuff in the main Discord. There's the tutorials channel, so that's where I would want to see that sort of thing happen. Definitely, we want to see that content, and push the more content from Resonite, please. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think the audio thing you're talking about is just that you can't get if you put it as a device in OBS, like you put the game capture in OBS, no audio comes out of it because the window doesn't do the audio, right? Because the window is just the render, and Unity is not doing the audio. So you have to set it to a different device, or just your own device. Honestly, I just set it to a separate device I'm not using. Like, for example, I've got my headphones on my desk, and I'm not using them right now, so I'm using that as a device to stream out to here. And yeah, because I'm not
But
using
it
it. Right?
works.
It's a free audio device.
Yeah, I've got a couple digital audio outputs set up through software, but whatever works.
You can do a virtual audio device. I have one on my desk right now, and you know what? It's perfectly fine.
So
It's free
camera audio's
audio.
just spewing out onto your desk at the moment.
Yeah.
That's great.
I used to have one go through a monitor that was set to mute.
Yeah, whatever works. No, well, and one of my virtual ones is like, Realtek whatever that comes with Windows, and then the other one is from VoiceMod, which I don't have anymore, but the output is still there. So
Yes. Good question.
no, good question.
Thank you. Fun.
Also,
It is
hello,
fun.
Moss.
It's fun. Yes.
I
is
see
that-
Moss in
Hello,
chat.
Moss.
Oh, okay, okay.
So
Yes.
I
Yeah, Moss
randomly
will play.
met Moss in the wild this past week, and it
That
really
sounds
was
terrifying. I would
it
have
was
a
a
heart
bit
attack.
terrifying.
If I just like heard the word Resonite in passing, I would be like, what
Dude,
do
I'd be
they
so
know?
excited. Like,
Moss
that'd be
was
awesome.
telling
great.
someone else about it. I'm just like, what? That's not
That's
not
sick.
right.
No, I'm so excited for who knows when or if, but one day I want somebody to be talking about Resonite in passing, and I can be like, oh hey, I know that. Like, I'm from there. That's gonna be great.
Yeah.
Just so I can interject.
Yes, absolutely. No, start up a conversation with someone, like, it'll be semi likely that we've heard of each other before. Like, that'll be crazy. Yeah.
Okay.
What?
How does one get 5 gigabytes free storage for a short amount of time? That's
I'm so glad you asked.
so funny. You asked, Zervax. Flash
Use the code-
drive. USB flash drive.
Okay, so there's that. However, use code marketing26 when you make a new account to get 5 gigabytes of storage free for 3 months, and you get the benefits of the Wanderer tier, which means the thing I said and also like your name in places. Marketing26 when you make a new account, use the promo code marketing26.
I'm just gonna give a
Please.
different answer every time.
I think
Also,
that's a good
marketing
bit too.
26.
Also, Rusty26.
Also, decoy 26.
No, just Rusty26. Rusty26.
Marketing 26 for this stream, you two.
Yeah.
Fine.
No, we have different
There-
promo codes based on where people are coming from, right? And then it gives us different data. So
There's the
we
secret
know.
promo. There's the secret promo code too that you will never use and you will never find out.
There are at least 2 of those. That's
Yeah, one.
that's the code. Use this one,
Yes.
please. Marketing 26.
Oh,
You can, yeah, put it up
Yeah.
there.
Big and in the
Yeah,
sky.
but-
Everyone knows you can see things better when they're big and in the sky.
Okay, here's another one from Zeravax.
Yeah.
Why not use a digital audio input output?
I
Because
already
it
answered
requires,
that.
it requires setup and it's free. It's free audio. It's already there. I'm already using it. Why not?
Anywhere you go.
I mean, I have enough. I don't want more audio devices. I don't like having multiple audio devices that I don't use. So like the less the better, because everything has its own audio device now. Like for example, for some reason, the HTC Vive Pro I has 2 audio devices, one that goes through USB and one that goes through HDMI. Even funnier, one of them is misspelled.
What?
In the device driver, it doesn't say multimedia device. It doesn't say multimedia. It says multimedia.
let me see.
Wait, that's awesome.
It
Well,
literally
one-
does.
I'm going to
So-
check because how many
Alright.
audio devices?
I already have 2 here, right? I've got the headphones on my desk, and then you've got the Steam streaming. If you use Steam streaming for any reason, like Steam Link, that's like 4 audio devices I already have. I don't want another one. I'm just wanting to use one of these.
I got 4 microphones and 5 speakers.
Yeah. Why would I
Like,
add more when I
this
could just use them?
Main headset, webcam.
Mine's correct.
What's the 4th? What? Wait, why do I have 4 microphones? Oh, one of
Well,
them's the digital one. Yeah.
I'm gonna see if I can take a picture of it.
I've got digital input, and then headphones. I have like my desktop ones, the ones I'm currently wearing for my big screen, my big speakers, and then voice mod digital output, Realtek digital output. And I actually do use all of those. Like, the main speakers only rarely, but these headphones right now, then my headphones at my desk, like I already said, the speakers. The Realtek digital output is what I use for my camera when I'm streaming, and the VoiceMod virtual one is what I use to pump my music into here.
Look,
like where I audio stream.
I did not change that name. That is how HTC put the device driver. It is Vive Pro Multimedia Audio.
Oh, that's good. That's really good.
Yes. Thank you for the question.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Blue dog.
Yeah.
What happens if you see the secret code?
You get the secret promo, I think, is the obvious answer.
If you
like,
find the
what'd you
secret
expect?
code, you reap the riches.
The secret reward.
You will not find it though.
No.
I can guarantee you won't find it.
Ooh, do you want to commit to that?
You know what? Yeah. You're never going to find it.
Okay. Wow. What do you know?
Unless someone tells you specifically what the code is, I don't think you'll ever find it. And if you do, you can let me know, and I will give you 10 gigabytes
Stinks.
more.
Last
Decoy
I
Stinks
checked, there's
26. Decoy Stinks 26. I hope people actually try that and then see that it doesn't work and then come and get mad at me. That'd
Are
be
you talking
hilarious.
about the secret one that we don't give out, or is there actually a secret one that's like special?
It's the one that has the 3 uses already.
Okay, yeah.
That no one knows
I'm looking
about.
at that.
Okay,
I assume it was used
Please do not start making new accounts or random promo codes.
Yeah, actually, that's probably something we should say. Don't we actually need the data on this. So if you already have an account, please don't
This one
use
is
the code.
Merchant 26. Don't use theirs because then it gets confusing.
We need so here's the bit, right? We need to know if you're using this, that tells us you're coming from this stream. If you're using code Rusty26, that tells us you're coming from my content, my streams and stuff. So we want to keep those separate so that we know what does well, so that we know what to push. Yeah.
Yes. There's a reason for the multiple ones, and so we know where people are coming from. And if you're curious, currently Nexulin is winning. So I guess most people are coming from TikTok. So that tells me we need to make more TikTok content, which
he pushes pretty hard over there.
I mean, that's the reality of things. This is why we have the promo code. So now we know things are coming from
you
TikTok.
all need to go to TikTok immediately and follow us.
Yeah, follow us on TikTok.
Resonite official, so we can actually start streaming on there.
You want to see me? You want to see me vertically on your phone? Look, I'm vertical.
Last one, you're over there. Last one we had decoy dancing.
Yeah.
Oh wait, speaking of,
everybody doesn't.
Everyone's like, ew, TikTok.
That.
However, the data supports it.
Works.
Like we literally have most people coming from TikTok.
Yeah.
I gotta save this to my inventory. I forgot last time.
I just remembered.
Thanks.
You can say ew as much as you want. The data is telling us that TikTok is the target.
Go, Rusty, go.
It hurts me too. However, that's life.
Wait, you can spin it. Spin it, Rusty. Yeah.
Yeah.
Am I TikTok viable?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, Zervax kind of is asking the question that we just answered. How are the campaigns performing for the promo codes? Yeah, so mostly Nexulin is winning by a huge landslide, which is coming from their TikTok live, TikTok live streams. And then I think Rusty is after that. Yeah,
then me, then you. I have it in front of me right now. Then me, then you, then marketing. And it's
then the secret code.
Pretty close for those, yeah. And then a secret code, and then and actually we can say because the group did their announcement that Ink Overflow is
Ooh, Ink Overflow.
So Yahoo, we can actually talk about that now. Finally, I need more water. Apparently,
Rec Room is that coming up this next week?
Yeah.
Oh jeez.
When's Rec Room? When's Rec Room? I gotta go visit. I gotta go visit before it goes down.
Rec Room next week.
When Rec Room goes
Rec
down?
Room next week.
Next week? Okay, I have to go visit before they go down forever.
Black Bank. I can't do it.
Yes. Okay, there we go. Let me talk about that for a second.
Yes, do that.
With Rec Room shutting down, we've got this creator group, Ink Overflow, who are awesome, and we did a little deal with them so that they can, we want to entice them to come over here and build stuff. There's a lot in Resonite that people from Rec Room would get a lot out of, and one of those pushes we're doing is, get them to talk about us, because that's what marketing's all about. So they did an announcement in their Discord server, and people are coming over from there. So when this coming week, when people start coming over from Rec Room, be nice, be kind, be respectful, show them around. Don't you know the drill. You know the drill by now. If we have an influx, I hope we have an influx. It's probably not going to be huge, but like, there's going to be at least some people, right, who they're coming from their platform and they want things to be a certain way. So make sure that you're friendly. Not that I don't think mostly you will be, but just put it out there. Be nice to everybody. Be nice to everybody, no matter where they're from. But like, specifically, we're going to have probably some Rec Room people coming in. So make sure that you're accommodating.
No being
everyone
snooty
sign up for the
about
mentor
new people.
program.
Okay, what if I have a snoot though? Does that count as being
Fix it.
snooty?
Yes.
You gotta, yeah.
Look at that. You actually have the longest snoot here. Too snooty.
You gotta fix that.
Oh man.
It's okay. We'll do it after the stream.
Whoa.
Okay.
You
This
snooted.
question. Does the business team also have their own promo codes for cases like, hey, welcome to Resonite Business. If you want to make your own account on our public platform, here's business. No. Because it tells us nothing.
That's what the marketing one is for. That
Yeah,
one.
that's
Yeah.
us. That's this. If you want this is the like, hey guys, here's like an official marketing push we're doing. We'll use that.
Yeah. I
Right.
feel like, because this is like, we don't get any data from this. They're already using our platform. We don't need to be like, oh yes,
Yeah.
you are using our platform. We knew that. Like they don't need their own code. They can use that if they want.
Yes, the promo codes specifically are for new users and for tracking user retention and for determining which of our marketing pushes work and which ones are not working, but like where is the best effort spent, right? If we so like already what we have is data that says, oh, Nexalon's TikTok is doing very well, so let's put some more effort in that direction. And we have data that says my streams are doing like kind of okay, so let's keep putting effort in that direction, but don't necessarily overdo it because it's not the top thing, right? It's really good. It's been really helpful. Going forward in over the next week or so, I'm gonna be doing a couple things that'll I'll make an announcement at some point over this next week and a half that I'm gonna do some data collection that you can opt into. That sounds bad. I'm gonna make a survey. Like
Data collection.
Yeah,
Ooh,
yeah, but
metrics.
I'm excited because like I'm gonna actually get telemetrics and be like, hey everybody, can you answer some questions for me? And you can help shape what the platform's gonna look like based on your answers. But yeah, it's not gonna be anything huge. It's just gonna be me asking stuff to get information from you, and then you won't see the results of that for several months, but it'll be important, and I'm excited.
Yes, please answer our questions.
Yeah,
Please.
actually, like I'm gonna advertise that here, and I'm also gonna advertise that. Oh no, I'm not here next stream. You guys have to do that for me.
What if I don't want to?
You're fired. I'll get Carmen to fire you. I'll force his hand. I'll make it happen. I'll make you fire Decoy. Even if it's at my own expense. I'm willing to sacrifice myself to get Decoy fired if he fails me here.
It doesn't matter that I fail. Others must fail too.
I don't care what has to happen.
Resonate Owncast instance when?
What? Own what?
Can we benefit from that? Why would
What is Owncast?
It's like a Raycast, but it's yours.
I feel like I have to explain.
My boss, please.
It actually took me a second.
I feel like I'm always like the weird FOSS person who has to explain software every time. But anyways,
Yeah, true.
Owncast is a self-hosted streaming software where you can like self-host your own stream. Why would we do that though?
How do you tune
Because-
in?
Here's the thing. I love self-hosting, right? Love to self-host all our own stuff. Though if I want people to show up, right? Like, where are they going to see us from, right? If I self-host my thing, they have to know about Resonite already. Like, we have to be out
Defeats
where the people are. Yeah. So there's no reason to have. I would love to have an Owncast instance, and at the same time, that would benefit us like 0%. There's no discoverability on that, unless you already know what Resonite is.
Someone said there is a directory, but I don't know about that.
Think of it, we want to get the average person, right? We want the attention of somebody who's just browsing the internet. And that means you gotta put yourself in the popular places, right? We gotta be on Twitch, we gotta be on YouTube, we gotta be on TikTok, because that's where most people look for stuff. It sort of defeats the purpose if we step back and go into our own little thing. Like, we can do that for other stuff, but specifically for trying to get marketing happening, it's just not the play, right?
Follow us on Resonite.
You can't do that yet.
Follow Resonite on Resonite.
That's part of what my survey is going to be about. It is stuff to make that able to happen. But you can't follow people on Resonite except for literally.
What you
need to do is you need to host Owncast on Resonite instead. Other way around. You didn't think about that, did you?
Wait, this is good data. Hold on, there's good data here. Discord memes is how you find many games/platforms. That's actually important, and I think something to look into, because like that's true. I remember finding many games based on just silly whatevers that people sent.
It's time to submit a bunch of like.
We need to spam Giphy.
Animated GIFs. Yeah. Here's one. Wasn't Rec Room bought by Snapchat?
I don't know anything about that.
So from what I understand, I could be wrong. Someone can correct me on this. Absolutely. From what I understand is Snapchat bought the assets of Rec Room, not the platform itself, which is a weird thing to buy. However, I don't know.
I don't like that.
Yeah. So I don't know what they're planning to do with the assets of Rec Room, all those like art assets, stuff like that. They are not buying the platform to revive it, though. The platform is going away.
Yeah, they just want they went to the like we're moving garage sale and just got all the stuff for cheap.
Oh jeez. Yeah.
Where were you when Rec Room is dying? I was on couch eating potato chip when phone ring. Rec Room is killed. No, thank you. Thank you for that.
Thank you for that. Jinx, you owe me a telco. One person gets that joke.
Why? I cannot grab things with my left hand.
Whoa, man.
When people come from Rec Room, when people from Rec Room come to Resonite, will there be an influx? I hope so.
Yeah, that's what we would like.
The hope.
Like,
will the mentors, mods, etc. be notified just beforehand? I mean, if we
that's
see
what
like
I just did.
Yeah, if we see like a huge influx, then we will probably start pinging people. Right now, just be mindful, I think.
Yeah. No, we're not expecting a huge jump. We would love a massive jump, but think about Rec Room's demographic, right? It's like 90% Quest and Desky and kids.
Mobile.
So that's although those three things and Resonite don't overlap. We don't have standalone. We don't have
the Steam charts were saying like max 3,000 at a time based off Steam, which is like pretty much the only thing that's going to be applicable to us.
Yep.
So
we're going to get the Rec Room users who are on PC VR, which is a very actually small part of the people who played Rec Room.
And also the ones who aren't going to go. Because there's like community-made servers now, I guess. Like, I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Oh, like self-hosted Rec Room instances kind of thing?
More like I don't think self-hosted. Private servers, basically.
I thought that was the same thing.
Step 1, kill the private servers, and then they can come here.
Yes. We should do a crusade, I think.
Too soon.
Follow us on any land.
I'll kill you. No. You can't just do that. I grew up there.
You gotta sometimes kill your parents.
What is the strategy for marketing Resonite's headless client capabilities? Is there any, or does the community advertise instead?
That's like a power user thing. There's not really a need for us to market it.
Yeah.
right now. Yeah.
I think most users do not care about headless clients, and if you do, then you know who you are and you pay for it, etc. We've already got you, right?
Yeah.
I don't know
Like,
if we
it's
need
good.
to advertise that.
But yeah, it's not part of right now. The advertising strategy is to not step away, but defocus from the super in-depth stuff and try and get more on the like you can just come in here and chill side, right? We want to get more casual and we want to get more gameplay. We have tons of amazing stuff on the in-depth creation side and on the technical side and like da 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 da. And what we need more of is, hey guys, like come have fun, because you can do that too. You don't have to be someone who makes stuff, because that can be intimidating for a lot of people.
Doing this so we don't have to like put graphics into shorts later when we cut this.
Oh, should I be more entertaining as I'm saying that, so that we can turn it into a short? What we want to see is more fun. We want to see you come in and play games. We want to see you chill with your friends and have a great time. Wow, yippee wow,
Resonite.
Yeah, okay,
Yes.
cool. We can turn that into a short later, including this part, I hope. Bye. There.
Another question by Zeravax. Wow, you really like asking questions. That's good though. What is the next Resonite event? Like there was the April event question mark. There's summer.
Yeah,
Probably
summer
gonna be
festival
one,
of some
yeah.
kind.
Is that really announced yet?
I don't know that that's like
I'm gonna
announced,
keep
but I
my
think
mouth-
something
I'm
was said
gonna-
about it.
Yeah, we're not gonna get too.
I'm not gonna
into-
like say anything, but
There
like
was-
there's work on some summer something happening.
There was gonna be maybe a 6-7 event, but I think that effort's now gonna go towards more a different thing.
Yeah,
Because what do you do with 6-7? We couldn't really figure out. But
it was
I don't know.
arbitrary.
It's no
Yeah.
longer funny, so like no one cared anymore.
We don't want to. It
Yeah.
wasn't funny in the first place, and also we don't want to run
Says
arbitrary events, right? Yes, says me,
Tell
and
that to millions of children.
I will.
Billions.
Okay, that's a lot. How are there billions of children who know the joke? I
Is there
don't
at
think
least
so.
a billion children?
Yes, absolutely there are. But
we
like
know that?
who know that? Yes. There are we're at like 9 billion people ever, not ever.
One in
we're at
9
100 billion people
ever.
ever.
1 in 9
We're at-
person is a
that's the
child.
limit.
That's scary. You're telling me there's a billion
At
children out
least,
there? I don't
at
want
least.
that. No.
Like probably
Scary.
like 2 at least.
At least 2.
At least
That's
2
more
children.
than enough.
I want someone to answer this. Chroma, can you
Okay.
answer this?
I can't read it backwards.
You'd make decoys biggest fan to fire hell.
Oh, that question was for me. Yes, I would. He's not even wearing the shirt anymore. Like fake fan.
Fake.
Fake fan.
I added
Do you even
things to
know the
this. I would
decoy
go get
lore?
Skrunkle.
Yeah.
Yeah, purple.
That's pretty good. All right.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Biggest fan.
Where's I can't. Is the UI broken for me or what's?
No?
No.
It's not
Is that
broken. It's
just
not broken for me.
Maybe you're broken for the UI. Ever thought about that?
No, you know what?
Yeah.
I didn't. I'm sorry. I didn't think about that.
Okay.
All right.
Anyone who complains about UI, maybe you're the one
YouTube
who's
short
broken
streams?
for it.
What does that mean?
A short or a stream? Well, I guess you can. It's weird. You can make a live YouTube short.
Oh,
Like
and you just do
stream.
like vertical.
Yeah. I mean, if we start doing TikToks, we can also, I guess, like restream to also YouTube shorts at the same time.
Yeah.
Why not?
It's probably
I mean,
the
it's
better
already
play.
vertical,
I've seen
I guess.
that happen. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I
the
don't-
like. I don't really browse streams personally, but I've been looking around when there are Resonite streams happening. It's good to see. I love seeing that. I want to
I like seeing
promote
Resonate
more
streams. Yeah.
content. Yeah.
I don't like how they call it shorts and it's a stream. I don't like that.
It's got to be a short stream. You got to only stream for 10
You
minutes.
gotta figure that out, YouTube. You can't call it shorts
It's a shame. A shame.
unless they're limited to 30
stream.
seconds. Then it's okay. They should be limited to 30-second streams.
The stream.
I hear popping happening, but I don't see questions and chat and
Snap,
stuff.
crackle. Too rusty. This one's for you.
Huh?
Could you look in the Resonite screenshots channel?
You pinged me.
I gifted you.
You did at
George
RustyBot. I already
Board
looked.
Animation.
And animation.
I gifted your spinboard animation.
Not only did I already look, I
Colon 3.
already starred the GIF so that I have it for the future.
Oh, what did you do? Whatever.
I appreciate it. I will be using that. I hope you understand. That's like great. I can't see chat. It's not this UI is bro. I'm gonna get my bitbots out.
You're gonna get your bitbots out?
I'm gonna get the bitbots out. Hey everybody, who wants to be a bitbot?
This is what happens in real life when someone asks me about Resonite. I just
You start waving this out. We need, I think, to sell these. Can we make those?
Yeah, I wanted some of these.
So
that everybody can run around.
we'll give a kit and be like, if you buy this poster, you can cut it out on yourself and put a stick on it, and you got it.
Make it an origami kit, yeah.
Yeah.
There. Okay. Here's the swarm.
Okay, Kelazun. Okay, you're bitbots now. Here's a question. Kelazun says, does Resonite have a referral program? Not currently. There could be one in the future. There's promo codes, yeah. There's no direct referral program. We have had talks about it. That's something that could happen in the future. Currently, no, though. And you know what? If you do refer people, or if you do like streams or something like that, you might get a little surprise in the future. There might be something planned for you. You might want to start streaming Resonite right now, and then you can get the thing in the future that I can't tell you about yet. That might be happening. That's probably going to happen. You crave uranium. What?
They just say that sometimes. Don't worry about it. I need this so I can see chat though, because I can't see the messages on this thing right now.
I can respawn this thing out.
Well, yeah, probably better actually.
What if I duplicate? Can you see one of these?
Oh.
You see that one?
There we go. Yeah. Okay. This one's good.
That's weird because that one doesn't connect. Anyways,
Chrome's gonna start killing you guys.
It's begun.
Sorry. That's how it works.
Yes. No person-to-person referral program at the moment. However, spreading the good word of Resonite will get you something in the future. That's all I can say for now. Exactly.
Yeah. Oh, Polly's dodging. There we go. Yeah.
What is the number one thing we want new people to know about Resonite? You're allowed to have fun. You can come in here and just have fun. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to set up anything. You can just download Resonite for free on Steam and have fun right now. That's what I want people to know. That's what I want people to understand.
You can actually just do stuff. Like you can get in here and just you don't have to don't have to be a super epic creator or something. You can just chill and play with toys and play games and do you have anything interesting to add? That's what I thought. It's about what I figured.
Good, perfect.
You need better aim. Do we have is that someone saying Zerabax said marketing? Hold on, don't shoot Zerabax because we need that visually hold on. I need to get these two.
Do you want me to ask less questions? No, I don't want you to ask less questions. No,
fewer questions.
I have a whole hour to answer questions. Give me more questions.
We still got 20 minutes left, at least.
Really? That was fast.
I know. It goes quick. Streaming goes so quick. Come on, I actually can't see chat, and I need these bitbots to read chat. You're killing it. I can't. I have no idea what's happening. What's being said?
Sorry,
Bird.
I'm very locked into that.
I thought you just bowed. I thought you were like, bird. Yes.
Bird. That's the answer. Bird.
Yay.
Thank you for understanding.
Why? What? Why? For what?
Bird. So bird can...
drinking bird. Yeah. Okay. You want drinking bird. I see.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
You have
one of those.
I don't.
Monetize specific features.
That's something.
Tires usually mono.
Aren't
they're plural. More than one. More than one feature.
Resonate ever monetize specific features? Want a Resonate fan with a marketing code? Please pay attention. You lost me with the example.
It's like you wear more than one tie.
But I'll answer this seriously. Will we ever monetize specific features? When super far down the road, when we're looking at some kind of workshop, creator, marketplace, whatever, that's on the roadmap for ages from now. We'll have to figure something out. But in terms of like, I don't know, other than storage, there's no plans for anything right now.
I got one for you. Pay me 2 cents and I'll let your BitBot live.
That's good.
$5 to pick up a dev tool.
So that's how bits are going to work. Like if you give bits, they're going to be health. I have no idea what you guys are saying because Chrome is killing you before I can read.
Okay, here's one from Copter user.
Hey, there's bits. See,
have you
2 cents.
ever considered? Oh, okay. Well, you get to live then. Have you ever considered something like a Ko-fi for Resonite? Asking because personally, I think it would be nice to have a way to throw arbitrary amounts of money without getting any in-game benefits.
We got rid of it, maybe.
Yeah, there were fees and everything. When personally as a creator, I like Ko-fi, coffee, whatever, because the fees are super low. But when you get bigger, the fees ramp up faster. So that's why Resonite doesn't have one.
Yeah.
So Shadow, I had to kill.
Yeah, of course.
You must take the features we give you if you pay. There's no other option.
Yeah, I don't know. Why do you not want benefits for your money?
You will get storage. I don't know. Well,
now $10 a month to use DevTools. Quickest way to kill a platform.
Ugh. Anyland had a subscription model, which was just like, if you pay, you don't get a notification every month that says, hey, you can pay. And also you get more than, 11 worlds or something. Yeah, no, it was a donate button. It was good.
How could you pay for more storage?
Patreon, Stripe. Are you prompting me to advertise, or what's the bit there? Please go to Patreon and Stripe to support the platform.
More.
Here's a question.
Storage.
Yeah, maybe make it
easier to gift benefits.
To gift.
That's something we also talked about.
Yeah.
And it's currently not implemented. Hopefully in the future though. Like we want to do stuff like that. We like the what do you like a referral program?
You're happy.
Completely missed. Gifting benefits.
Gravity bubble. Well, they died. Okay, so this is now the RustyBot marketing stream. Hello, welcome. Hi. Hi there. My name is RustyBot. I'm marketing. That's a gravity grenade. Goodness gracious me. Okay, I can't see chat like I said, so there's this. Okay.
Hello.
I just have to talk and pretend to be entertaining. I don't know what's going on. Nothing's popping up on either of these.
That's weird.
Blame Ryuvi for this.
You gotta fix that.
Okay. I'm sure. Ryuvi, it's your fault. I don't know why, but
I'm rolling my perception
hey there,
check.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hello there, my name is RustyBot.
16.
What's 16?
My perception check. I can see now.
Good for you.
We're on 3 different topics.
Yeah.
Are there any other? I think we covered all the questions, at least all the real questions I see. Unless you have other questions, we got 15 minutes. If you don't, I'm gonna start shooting all these. If you don't give me some questions to answer.
Copter user has a thing. Is there an arbitrary donate money button that's possible through Stripe?
No.
Let me move these closer.
I don't know.
I love that I can move the swarm now. Look at that. That's so great. Look at you guys.
Stripe is directly tied to your Resonite account, so there's no really other way to like give money to Stripe. It has to be associated with a Resonite account. So no. Patreon doesn't. However, don't use Patreon because we get less fees. Well, we have to pay more fees with Patreon in general.
Yeah.
So
we're trying to
get away and oh my goodness. Camera jump scare. And the more people that go away from Patreon, right? When we get to that certain threshold where we're like, okay, no one's on Patreon anymore, we can actually just get rid of it entirely and then move everything to Stripe or whatever gives us a better deal, you know? And then maybe we can do more stuff with that. Because right now it's kind of split in between the two. So if we want to do something like, for example, gifting, gifting subscription, whatever, then we have to implement it 2 different ways, right? And that's annoying. So if you get away from Patreon, then we can have one way, and then we can get more done with that. I can't see over there.
You got a 13.
Yeah. That's okay.
It's all right. It's above average. That's all right. That's good.
Here's another Zeravax question. What is your biggest gripe about the Divinity Resolve? The
Fusion.
I like Fusion.
Drama doesn't.
I don't. It's not great.
It's not After Effects. Yes.
I mean, you can do stuff with it. It's free. It's just maybe a couple too many steps to do pretty simple things.
That's fair.
Good enough at video editing to really have an answer. I just use the basics.
I got the certification because I was like, I use this a lot. Maybe I should like get certified in it. And then I got the certification. That doesn't change anything. I just can say like, look, my name's on the certification now. I don't really have it. Well, what is the worst thing about DaVinci? Probably proxy files. Here's one thing that's really annoying about proxy files. If you don't specify you want your proxy files to be like small proxy files, it will make ProRes size proxy files, which is bigger than most of my recordings. So my proxy files end up being bigger than my actual files, unless I tell it not to be. That's kind of annoying. So if I forget to change that in the settings, then I get huge proxy files. Tekorian Comics. Hello, I don't think I've seen your name before. I don't know if you've answered this at the start. Do you think the Steam frame will meaningfully impact how many people use Resonite?
I hope so.
I would love to know. We don't know until we get one or we see that happen. There's too many variables that we cannot account for because we do not have a Steam frame yet, unfortunately.
But I think probably, I really do think probably, because Meta's pulling out of VR, so quests aren't happening anymore, and so then the standalone affordable, hopefully, option is going to be the frame, which means that now instead of Quest, we don't have a Quest standalone version, so that ecosystem is going away. It's going to all just be PC VR, but the frame is going to have it on your face. So what I am hoping to see is that Resonite's just accessible to everybody with VR going forward, which so far, most of VR is Quest, because that's just what's been affordable. So I think there's a huge chance that we'll see a boost from that, and I'm very excited.
Hopefully. I'm big hope.
Any new? I don't think I've heard anything the past week, but a Steam frame?
No.
No. Okay.
No.
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 No. Sorry.
Washer combo dryer. What FBT system are you using?
The original. I think. Is it the original? I don't know. I'm pretty sure these are first gen $5 still.
Like you just call it the one.
The original.
Yeah.
Forged in the fires of VR Eternal.
Were there anything before the $5? I think that's where it started. Was just the original HTC.
Yeah, because it's just the front part of the wand controllers.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're 2-hour battery life and
the one.
Not amazing.
And are you using the Index?
No, I'm still on Cosmos, but not the really shitty one. The one that they were going to add modules to, but never did.
Not the shit one, the other shit one. Okay.
Yeah.
I can talk about HTC forever. I'm not going to. That's a whole nother 2 hours.
We got 2 hours. We don't have 2 hours. Hey, you know what happens in 2 hours is I stream. Wow.
Rusty is going to stream, and
I'm going to stream.
You're going to miss next week. You're going to miss next week.
I'm going to miss it. I'm actually upset about that.
Because Rusty got fired.
Because I'm getting fired. Actually, right now, Chroma's just breaking the news to me in this moment, and I'm doing it as a bit, but I'm actually devastated. No, I'm going to miss next week, but yeah, in 2 hours on my channel, Rusty Manufacturing, come stop by. There's going to be more of this, more of the bitbots, more upgrading. I'm going to do some Blender. I'm going to make hats. I'm going to make more hats, and I'm going to make a little drone, because the little ball that you spawn out of here, the little block, that sucks. That's boring. Whoops. Yeah. Woohoo!
Go to their channel.
Except this is Rusty on it.
Yes. I have a, hold on. One sec. Hold that for me. Wait. What? Where's my, oh, this is not.
It's not a sticker?
No, wait. There. Wow, Rusty Manufacturing. I just glued it.
To my forehead.
Rusty Manufacturing on Twitch and also on YouTube, but I'm on Twitch in 2 hours. Anyway.
And use Marketing26.
And use code Marketing26 now, but wait 2 hours to make your account and then use code Rusty26.
No.
Yes. Was that this? No.
No, that was a completely different question.
Well, go ahead.
I think calling it a Stripe is a faux pas because it makes people believe there's another external platform thing. I think it should be called just Resonite subscription. Yeah, kind of. We say Stripe because that's what it is, Stripe. We don't want to get you confused when we say go subscribe and then it takes you to a Stripe page and you're like, what is this? I thought this was Resonite. It kind of goes hand in hand. You could see it just as us clarifying what we're trying to get you to do. I mean, once we become big enough to become our own payment processor, then we can call it Resonite subscription. Right now we're using Stripe, so I'm going to say, yeah, you have to go to Stripe, technically, to get a Resonite subscription. Thank you for the clarification.
Yes, very epic. Give me a new I can't see these. You gotta pop these out. Yeah, I'm sorry. I would love to.
There's
help,
only one more. Oh my gosh, Glitch
Okay.
for. Thank you for the subscriptions, Glitch for to Resonite. To Resonite. What are your opinions on the community forum, translation, and bot projects? Shameless self-advertisement. Cough, 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 cough. Nudge, nudge. Hey, look, I'm making things.
What? Someone's gonna have to catch me up what that is.
Community
Forum
translation and bot project. I know about our translations, I think, right?
I never interact with that, so go for it if you know anything.
Oh, all I know is that we have community translation help, and that's great and awesome and appreciated and necessary, and wonderful.
Yeah. If you're a translator, thank you. Do they get? I think they get badges. I remember making a translator badge at one point.
Yeah. They
still do.
If you translate for Resonite, you get a badge because thank you. That's awesome. The Resonite team speaks a lot of different languages, but not all of them. And ideally, Resonite is playable in all of them, right? So that's a lot of work. Big appreciated for people who do that. The forum, Zerovax, I know you've been working on some forum thing. I haven't looked into it. I'm sorry, but I
looked at it.
Hope it's
I'm scared of it though. I like it. I like the project. I'm scared of logging. I know it's OAuth and everything like that. I'm just too scared to log into it.
Oh, look at all those good buds.
Yeah, Disco Night. That's what it's called. Thank you. I appreciate your efforts. I like what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. And best of luck to you.
Yeah.
So what is it? It's it's
like a forum website. You go there and it is a forum, which we don't really have.
Is that not the Discord? I guess I'm confused.
We have
what it's doing.
some Discord forum channels, but it's Discord forums are not actual forums.
Remember when the internet was cool and actually had forums where you go to a website and talk to people? It's that.
What?
Were you never on any forums?
What? No, not really.
Chrome is not an internet.
That's fair.
Citizen.
Wow.
Well,
here's a cool question that maybe nobody knows. What's the most marketing team approved Linux distro? I believe Fedora is in the running right now with three people.
No, this is marketing team specifically.
Oh,
yeah.
You're the only marketing team on Linux.
I use Fedora, so still wins.
That one, I guess.
I have a Linux on my laptop because it's an old crappy laptop that can't run Windows, and I had to switch it to Linux for a contract I was doing to use some program, and I just kept it like that because now it's slightly faster. I'm talking like $150 laptop from 2020. I open it for text editing, right? Like I do my writing on there, then that's it. It's basically all it can handle.
Oh, I have all of them.
Whoa. Wait, hold on. Do I recognize any of these?
You can clip this.
I need to see if I... Oh, this is the one I have on the laptop. Which one's that?
That's Mint.
Okay. Yeah, there. This is... I'm not advocating. This is the only one I recognize.
I had all these in my inventory. Do not ask me why.
Why?
I said don't do that.
No, I'm asking why not. I ask you why.
I think I did a stream with them all because I was explaining it to people.
The Avatar logo?
No, that's Star Trek.
Who's gonna tell him? I'm not gonna tell him. Someone else has to tell him.
It's the only one I actually recognize.
It's okay. So there's a cave opening and there's a mysterious figure standing in the entryway. You see? See what I'm talking about?
Yeah, like you're in weird. You're asking salespeople what Linux we use. What's wrong with you?
Don't call me a salesperson. You're right, but like,
and in that moment, Decoy was fired.
I'm being a realist.
No, I'm a silly marketing bot. I'm a mascot. I'm not sales. Yeah. I can't be sales.
Look at us. Come on now.
It's just an example. Like you don't go up to the Wall Street guy and be like, what Linux do you use?
That would be funny though.
That would be funny.
Just compare us to the Wall Street guy.
Yeah, I think we have to kill you for that.
No, that's not what I'm saying.
I think Decoy's fired as well.
Yeah, double fired.
We're all fired. We're all fired. There's no more marketing.
Whatever has to happen. No more marketing. Sorry. Use code marketing26 while you can, because it's going away after this stream. We're gonna die.
No more Resty game streams. It's over. Resonite.
No more ever. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm gone. Resonite, huh? Rezo card.
We're gonna have the highest interest fees.
Oh, yeah. No, I think you. So I think we should have in-game currency called Gloopies for one.
200%.
Absolutely.
You actually cannot pay it off.
Yeah. Don't ever get in debt with us, or we'll come for you.
Yeah. It doesn't matter if you pay anything. If you put 1 cent into that,
it becomes 3 cents, and then it becomes 9 cents, and then it becomes just keep going. Or did you mean 200% additive or 200% multiplicative?
You will
whatever
see
the
me
one that makes sense for this bit.
Well, it would start making dollars pretty quick.
You're gonna see me doing this.
2 cents, I guess. That's math.
Well, 1 cent time plus 200% of 1 cent is plus 2 cents. Yeah. So 3. And then
see, this is
you
why
could do another plus 200% again. You get 9 cents. And then you get 27 cents, and then
This is exactly why we're not the salespeople.
Yeah, you lost me at 3. My brain got fuzzy after that.
Guys, my brain is made of numbers. Okay, I gotta you gotta let me have this at least once in a while.
I like paper.
That's the whole paragraph. Elaboration on what I'm asking about arbitrary donation. Would it be possible for there to be a donate whatever amount you want with no direct benefit option on Stripe? I know that Stripe would be linked with my Resonite account. I personally want to stay at default storage to force myself to optimize things. That's brave of you. Though I still want to have a way to throw money at you through a method that I know has little fees.
Stripe. That's complicated. I'd still say just do Stripe. That seems like less steps.
Yeah.
Well, they're asking about Stripe, still doing it through Stripe without the benefits and
arbitrary. I forget if there's like a custom amount you can put on Patreon, although we really aren't pushing Patreon anymore these days.
You're asking for a lot of our engineering team for something you can already do and just get the benefits for. I don't know what to tell you.
Like, make a second account and put the benefits there if you don't want them.
Yeah.
Like,
give it to a friend.
Yeah. If you're asking about
give
gifting
your credit
before.
card to a friend. You should absolutely do that.
Or a stranger.
Nothing bad will ever come happen to that.
Yeah.
Just let your friends use your credit card.
Or strangers. Again, I'm willing. Like, no problem. I'll take that off your hands. I don't mind.
Here is
You want to get good
Illustrator
advice here?
de Sonhus. Give me good advice.
Be orange.
What was the question?
What?
You said good advice. You wanted good advice,
Good advice.
right?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
I saw you grab a question, and then you said be orange. And I'm like, did someone ask a
No,
question?
Decoy
I
asked
a
me for
question.
good advice, and so I said be orange. It's worked out great for me.
Good
I thought you
advice.
said you're going to give me good advice.
I just did.
I-
Be orange.
Only give good
I-
advice.
I
What
didn't
is
say
your
anything
wisdom?
about giving good advice until you. Which one of us are you looking at?
Download
This is
Resonite for free
why I'm
and
confused.
use code marketing26 and get free storage.
Okay. Well, here's a question.
Hmm.
When and how are you guys incentivizing another player's country to migrate in Resonite? Hold on, let me digest this question in my
Let
two
me
brain
also
cells.
do that.
When
When
and
and
how
how?
incentive another player's country to migrate in Resonite?
I think the question is something along the lines of how do we incentivize people from other demographics to get in the platform? Like where we don't, I don't
What other
speak
demographics?
Japanese, but we've got a big JP community, and that's great. I don't speak, I don't know, Hungarian, but how do we advertise to them, right? And how do we make sure that the platform can receive them well? That's the translation. I think that's
Need
the
more
question.
Italians.
Yeah, right. You know what? That one's easy because we just got to go hey every once in a while, and then it's fine.
Let us show I didn't do anything. I showed no hand signals. I'm not part of this. Yeah, if you're just talking about like I guess you like non-English speakers, right? There are, non-English speaker communities in here. As many. I mean, the ones who don't speak English, like for me, like example, Japanese, right? There's the Japanese community that I talk to all the time. Jay talks to the French community. Fruxius talks to the Czech community. So we just have to have someone here from those countries, kind of. Not much you can do about that unless we went on a spending spree of different people from different countries. I don't see that happening anytime soon. And then there's also the translation project that Fruxius has been working on, which will give everyone subtitles so you can get people from different countries and just understand them.
Yeah.
Then there's no
Oh,
boundaries.
that's gonna be awesome. There's
Yeah.
already community tools for translation, but man, having that built in, just full future, it doesn't matter what language you speak, we can have a conversation. Wild.
Yeah, I'm looking super forward to that. That's gonna be wild. Do you prefer your Resonite people subbed or dubbed?
I mean dubbed because it's faster and easier, but if subbed is all we got.
Here's one from Korean Comics. A completely random question, not random at all. How low level can you get when programming in Resonite? Currently, not that much. Protoflux is just in time compiled and it binds to C#. So not too
But
much. But
we have NAND gates, so you can do anything.
technically, if you think about it, Protoflux is just assembly.
Yep. If you use it like assembly, it counts as assembly.
There you go. There's your answer.
Just because your NAND gate is running through a C# function, which is running through Brooks Engine, which is running all the way down. Just build assembly on top of, it's like building a basement foundation on a skyscraper.
Mm-hmm. And in the far future, our plans is to have WebAssembly also. So then it can be as low level as you want, right? No timeline on that. Whenever that happens, there's a lot of things that need to happen before that, though know that WebAssembly is planned. Good question. Thank you for the completely random question. Oh, here, you can just read that. I think this is just for you.
Yeah? That's for... Okay, cool.
That's for you to read. Don't
So
blow this in my face.
Discord is a good platform, but is closed off. A forum on the internet is publicly available and SEO searchable. Reddit, is Reddit. People tend to avoid that. Steam forum, no one really uses for the sheer amount of spam. Or the forum I discussed with a few groups to put their groups on there. All badges are also synced for the translation, and it's a UI to translate the local repo with a nice interface. Does that clear it up for Blue Dog person? I didn't get any of that. I can't read out loud and think at the same time.
Yeah, I feel that.
Sure.
True.
Yeah, so you can Google if it still exists can do that.
If it still exists.
Their days are numbered, honestly. From
Well,
what I
sure,
saw,
everything's
I
days
think
is
Google's over.
Over.
Nothing,
Wow, that's strong.
Nothing lasts forever. Yeah, no.
I agree.
I've seen Google's future. It's over. Finding new.
Can we get an idiot search message out here real quick?
Yes.
It's not a question,
No.
but
I don't think
This
so.
one. I mean, technically, you can make a second account.
No, the most recent.
That one. Oh, this.
Yeah, just for me.
Oh, just for you.
Chroma, can you read that? No. I meant like for
Okay.
me personally, but like Chroma, can you read that? Can you read this for me?
I love how Rusty and Decoy do most of the work and their boss is playing with toys just like a real manager. Thank you.
Yeah. Just wanted to make sure that was it. I'm gonna put this actually up here. 1 second.
This doesn't.
There we go.
I'm the corner mattress
People in there don't want to get shot.
doing the sign flipping.
Goodness.
Huh?
We didn't. The crossbow bolts, I think, don't actually attach to people because people don't want to be shot.
Well,
Why don't we want to be shot?
don't have a gun pointed at you if you don't want to be shot.
Yeah.
Like, come on.
Yippee!
Some people. Wild. What else we got?
I
Not
think
best.
that's more or less it. And we're coming up on time. I gave you
Yeah.
a few more minutes for some good questions.
Whoa.
Here's a question from Grand UK. What are you going to do with the new IK chains Fruits is marketing?
Dude, I'm so excited. I'm gonna have so many factory
I'm gonna
robot arms that are
burn
easy,
legs.
and I have this one model that I want to bring in that I gotta rig up. That's just like so complicated, and I don't want to have to do that on my own. Then I won't have to. My arms are gonna stay the same way they are because I've built these custom exactly how I like them. But I'm gonna be able to use a fabric chain for a whole other guy. It's gonna be amazing. Oh, you dropped this.
You're scaring me.
that
I am
happen?
so excited.
I'm going to full body calibrate. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
No, comfort
Looking
user.
forward to
I'm
it.
gonna my cursed biped rig. First of all, you're stinky. Second of all, it's a whole different guy. This is the Rusty drone, right? Watch out for the prime unit coming probably in many months.
Ooh.
Yeah. Careful. That's sharp.
I don't think you're
Careful.
supposed to do that.
Careful.
This is
Sure.
how I get ready.
Lobotomy. Hey.
Average Monday.
Yeah. No, hold on.
Glitch-
Wait. I want this one here.
That one?
Just as a reminder.
Oh, a reminder. Okay.
Yeah.
Glitchford says, "How many more subs do I need to gift to Fun Chroma plushie?" I think you need to make it first. I think we need to make the plushie.
That's the petition. You need to gather 1,000 of your closest friends. We've been over this. Gather 1,000 of your closest friends, sign a
Yes.
petition, blah, 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 blah. You want gift subbing to do stuff that's like, appreciated for here. Like save that for Resonite, Stripe, or Patreon, or for,
I want a plush.
Get
make one.
10 of your.
I have a
get
plushie.
10 of your close. 10 of your closest plush designers
Closest
to create a
knitters.
plush for Chroma.
Yeah.
I think that's where we're at right now.
If your goal with the gift subs is to get a Chroma plushie, your money is better spent commissioning someone to make a Chroma plushie.
And then
Now, if you go
can
with the
put
gift
that in
subs-
milk.
Yeah, is to support marketing
Oh.
directly. That's also not how that money gets there.
Don't put me in milk.
Also that. I again must say
Don't put
how
me in
dearly
milk.
I love the fact that every time this type of thing comes up, people want like a collectible figure for me, and they want plushies to abuse and throw against walls for you guys.
Why is
Like,
milk
that feels
always
pretty
in
great.
the equation? Why is it always milk? Yeah.
Oh, it's great. And I just get to be like a cool little collectible guy. That'll be great.
Why do people want to do things? Stop.
That's for you.
I've heard.
And this
Do not
so-called
read.
plushies.
Chroma, don't read. They said don't read.
Chroma Pool Toy is the way cheaper because the filling is free. What does that mean?
Air.
What is that? Air?
Air is well. Okay, I hope they mean air.
I hope it's air.
I don't know what else you would want to put in there. Helium is not free, so that doesn't work.
Oh,
If I
you're right.
become one, you might as well put helium in me just so I go to space.
Hello, my name is Chroma. I'm the blue marketing dog.
Don't give them ideas.
No, I know about the plushie soaked in milk. I don't want that. I just don't want that. Milk equals autism?
Autism? What?
I have
autism.
that. I know what that is.
Me.
Hi, that's me. You're talking about me.
Me.
Resonite.
Resonite, come be autistic with us.
My tracking went out for a while there. Oh, now
I do
everyone's
know.
getting excited about autism.
Is everyone getting excited about being autistic? Yeah.
Yeah.
Speaking of, I will spoil it, but everyone on the team apparently is getting a pool toy of them made, for better or worse. And I heard
Everyone.
this from Moss. I heard so everyone's getting one.
And so, is this physically?
I don't.
Like,
Physically,
is there going to be a
everyone-
real one somewhere, or is this like getting
I
modeled?
hope not. That's scary to think about. That is one of the most
It's
like
gonna-
ominous things you can hear.
No.
You are getting a pool toy.
It's gonna be like outside everyone's front door, like no return address, fully inflated.
Just gonna show up at my doorstep in a box.
Wait, is it scarier if it's like inflated or deflated, just like flat
No,
against the
wait.
ground so it looks skinned?
In-game avatars. Multiply says in-game avatars.
In-game avatars. Okay.
That's a little
Okay.
better. Although it would be really. Here's the thing: Bitbot Rubber Ducky. I would kill someone for that. That would be great. I'll go on record and say
Yes.
that.
It's there to replace you. I mean, I'm pretty sure a pool toy can replace me. I mean, I got not the same
Inflatable
amount of
decoy.
mass.
It's a decoy.
Yeah.
Decoy.
Yeah, see?
That joke's
Easy.
never been made before.
Nope.
If I'm getting one made, it has to have like a blend shape that deflates it, so it's like flat.
Yours needs to be in the chair. Like the chair
And,
needs to be
like,
part of it. Like you
it
know
has to be
that
just,
we have inflatable penguins on a
slumped over
snowmobile
it.
for Christmas. Like the chair needs to be a part of
Yeah.
it too.
Yeah. Just half deflated in the chair. Okay,
Yeah.
I think we're coming up on time. I think
we're at
past the
time.
time. We're past time. It's been fun though. Thank you for all the questions. We appreciate you very much. Please come play Resonite with us.
Yeah.
Autism
Let's
or
be
not,
autistic together.
we would be happy to have you.
Chroma's gonna kill you guys. Look out!
You're all dying now.
Look out! Look out! Careful! Zarek has bits. Nope, not anymore. You just destroyed 2 cents
Okay.
from Zarek. Chroma. They are wasted.
Oh yeah,
because
they
of you.
paid 2 cents for that.
2 cents for that. 30-minute bitbot rip.
I'm looking.
Congratulations, Zarek. Good for you. Your bitbot lasted 30 minutes. Chroma, in particular, congratulations. You lasted a whole 30 minutes without killing Zarek.
Is anyone streaming? Someone
hey,
is
Comfort,
streaming.
Father help.
here's the problem. Yeah, no, they think that I have anything to do with their survival. Like, that's on you guys. You know what you're getting into when you hop in here. I'm sorry. I didn't get to read that. I don't know what was said. What did Monster
Said,
Pledge just
Father,
say?
save us.
Oh, yeah, okay. Doing my best, doing my best, doing my best. I need my shield wall ability back. I can't draw those.
I just
What's
work
the-
here.
Sir! Sir! No! No!
Die. Die.
My robots! My robots! Stop it! No! No! Guys, there's not much I can do at this point. I'm sorry.
Autism.
Yay!
What about autism? Hey, I know that. I know that. I know what that is.
Yay! Okay, yeah.
Bro's
Time to go
dead.
sleep.
It's
It's time to go.
early afternoon.
Hongshu.
Okay. Chroma wants to go to sleep. Come back in 2 hours to my
It's time
channel,
for-
and I'll be streaming.
go see Rusty Manufacturing in 2 hours.
You can be more bitbots. I'll
Happy
be
Memorial Day.
blendering and then coming back in here to import those models that I make while I'm blendering. Goodbye.
Bye. Hold on, press the button. Bye. Where's the
Marketing.
button?
Marketing.
Where's the
Marketing
button?
26. Use
Bye.
code marketing 26.